Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Want a clear case for your iPhone 13 Pro that's not going to turn yellow? Like the idea of serious drop protection, MagSafe functionality, and fade-free glitter? The Speck Presidio Perfect-Clear Glitter+Grips has Microban for antimicrobial protection, offers 13 feet of drop protection, and its redesigned grips give you just enough grip to feel secure in the hand, but not so much that it's hard to slide in and out of pockets. Plus, Speck's Perfect-Clear cases are guaranteed not to turn yellow for the life of the device. Lots to love here from Speck. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the construction of this case, this is relatively rigid, not a lot of flex to it. You have a hard, smooth feel to the material, including the grips, not the old-style rubbery grips that Speck used to have. Case offers antimicrobial protection with Microban. You've got that 13 feet of drop protection, so that's excellent. You've got MagSafe functionality built in. You've even got a little bit of glitter, and this case is guaranteed not to yellow for the life of your device as long as you purchase it from Speck or one of Speck's authorized retailers. So overall, just really quite a nice case. Putting your phone in this case is not very difficult. You want to start on your left-hand side. Put it in, make sure both your top and your bottom corners are in place, and then go over to the right-hand side and then push on those corners. Once on, you'll see we have an absolutely excellent fit on here. There's really no give anywhere except the tiniest bit of give over your buttons and your port openings, but it's extremely slight. This is one of the best fitting cases that I've encountered, so really nice job there by Speck. So looking at the amount of lip you have on here, you have a really nice amount of lip. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, the Glass XTR by Zag, great screen protector by the way. If I didn't have this on here, you would have more visible lip, but even with it, you've got plenty of lip to protect your screen, and again, a really nice fit here with the Glass XTR screen protector. Looking down here at our port openings, you can see we've got asymmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design, so that is excellent. You should also be able to fit many third-party lightning cables here, although of course this case does support both regular Qi wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. Going around to the sides, you've got these hard grip lines. These are hard and smooth, not rubbery grips. In my opinion, they give you just enough grip, but not too much. But if you're a big fan of Speck's old style grip cases, then you're probably not going to like them. Going to the buttons are nice and clicky, very responsive, no issues with the buttons. And then looking here at our mute switch access is absolutely sufficient. I think that very few people are going to have trouble accessing the mute switch. I think you'd have to have quite large fingers in order to have a problem there. Looking at the view from the top, everything looks great here. Again, very nice fit here with the Glass XTR screen protector. And as you can see, we've got plenty of protective lip around the screen. And then going over here to the other side, another great button here with our side button. And we've got plenty of grips here to give you a nice amount of grip on this side as well. Looking at the back of the case, I think everything looks lovely here. We've got a hint of glitter with this embedded glitter. It's not extremely obvious, but it just has a nice subtle appearance, and it is embedded into the case, so it's not going to wear off over time. So if you're a fan of glitter, particularly subtle glitter, you're really going to like the look of this case. I think the glitter helps with a number of things. It helps reduce the appearance of fingerprints, and I also think it helps reduce the appearance of scratches as well. Gives your eyes something else to focus on. You're also helped with fingerprints and scratches by these grip lines here on the back. Fingerprints don't really stick to them, and I think that they're also going to make scratches a little bit less visible as well, so that's excellent. You do get that 13 feet of drop protection with this case, of course, and we have the embedded antimicrobial protection from Microban, so that is great. So looking here at your camera protection, we have a raised rim around the camera, so your camera should be well protected. Got a little bit of Speck branding up here in the corner, but that's it. Overall, just a really lovely case, slim form factor. Really nice hand feel, and I do love the fact that this is guaranteed not to yellow for the life of the device. As far as wireless charging is concerned, this is going to work great with regular Qi wireless charging as well as MagSafe charging because, of course, it is a MagSafe case. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories such as MagSafe wallets. Got a really nice connection there. And one of my favorite types of MagSafe accessories, MagSafe power banks. Got this nice one here from Banks. Does a great job in giving you a quick charge when you need it. Love MagSafe power banks, and I love MagSafe cases in general. I think that they are super convenient, and I think that this is a really nice MagSafe case because got a great fit on here, slim profile, nice amount of grip, and nice strong magnets. Really good job here from Speck with the Perfect-Clear Glitter+Grips. Removing this case from your phone is not difficult. You want to start up in your top right-hand corner and press it off, and then go down to your bottom right-hand corner and you're going to press that off and then pull out your phone. Again, we've been looking at the Speck Perfect-Clear Glitter+Grips with MagSafe for iPhone 13 Pro. This case is available directly from Speck as well as from many other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $54.95. If you're not a fan of glitter, there is a plain clear version available as well. Be careful to select the correct case, however. Speck sells an almost identical version of this case for $10 less, but it does not have the MagSafe functionality. Many thanks to the kind folks at Speck for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more iPhone 13 series accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.